Brad Williams, Excel Prime, VLOOKUP. Great tool. A little dated, but very useful. Replaced by the XLOOKUP. Some of you might want to stick with the VLOOKUP. Why? Because it's really simple. What we want to do is look up, based on income, we want to look up a rate and the tax. Hit F9. We're just going to see a changing data. Not a big deal. Same old stuff. Name range, taxes owed, C5 to D8. This other information is not that important. It's all driven by income. VLOOKUP, look up a value in the first column and return a value. Using a tax rate, VLOOKUP function can be used to calculate a tax rate. Here's the formula. VLOOKUP, G5. Here's G5, the money. Taxes owed, somewhere within here. The column, 1 or 0. Remember, we've gone over VLOOKUP. This is just a refresher. Range lookup, true. Remember, true is 1, false is 0. And an approximate match, because we are not looking at exact numbers. And remember, we always go lower. So let's take a look. The rates. We'll VLOOKUP G5, income 3.815, taxes owed. I'm going to look here in this, between these two. It's going to look for this number. It will spit out whatever we say. We want column 2 and an approximate match. So given that the tax rate's only 22%, it's going to say 22%. Then the tax times rate. That's it. This is just a very simple refresher on VLOOKUP, the approximate, column index, table array. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.